guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Monika, food and product photographer, and on my channel I teach how to photography food and product. And this time I show you easy setup for product photography, what your clients can use for website, Instagram, maybe on Amazon, Etsy and more platform to sell them product, to show them product design. That's we focus today on this, how to make that easy, simple setup, few steps. And another things, how to make that soft lights. Like you see on this photo, here is very soft lights. That's we will be focused on this today. Let's go. First things in that easy setup, we must think what we want to show on the product. I will be photographing the candle, easy way, some flowers in the back, maybe some only table little, and the product is the hero here. Like you see, my wall is like cream color, but we wanted white background. On the photo exactly, you have white background. That you can use like something, if you don't have white wall, you can buy the paper, put paper on this. But I have like vinyl background here, prepare, and this is color, but in the back, I'm lucky, here is white. That's I can using this background and put on the wall, easy setup. And how I do this time, I don't want to use the T-stand because you don't have maybe T-stand to hanging. You can use something different. This is the tape, and normal tape what we have for protect when you painting the wall is that tape, and we will be use this tape and set up as background on the wall. That is more easy, quickly and cheap. That's you don't must to buy T-stand if you don't have. The background is little dusty. I see now when I set up my background, I can clean. It's better than later you will be editing this background. Spend time for editing what it was not good. Oh my god, my tape go. One more time, we set up. I will be need more tape maybe. And now we clean this background, dry to make. Now looks perfect. But I put more tape because I'm not sure this will be keep the background. Should be alright, but I don't want to have later surprise when I set up everything and my background will be on the floor. That will be not nice. Of course, if you have T-stand, you can use T-stand, but I want to show you the easy setup where you don't have to spend so much money on the product, because believe me, easy is buy a lot of stuff for photography and later don't use this or spend money and don't practice with this what you have already. That is the for me more important. Don't invest in the tools, work with this what you have already. That is my white wall now, looks good I think. Another things, we need some table here. Of course I have my table from IKEA, and this will be my table for today's shoot. Like you see, the white, when I set up now everything table, I see the white is not enough down. That I can put up this table. That is the plus this table. You can scroll this and remove the desk here, and you can put little up. That's I do this definitely because I will be don't change position my background. That is easy for me to remove this and put up. We have here special hole, and that's things, wood things we put here inside, and that is easy to work now for me with this table. I'm happy I bought this table in IKEA. a few years ago. If you want to know more about this table, I left the link below. I have 2 videos about this table, and there is so much information, and you can really buy one times and use for long time. I bought like 3 years ago, 4 years ago, and this was one from the best decision in photography. Like now I make mistake, I put this background so high, not low, and will be problem again remove that. It's perfect. On the top we put here some desk. You can use any table, don't must be exactly this from IKEA. You can use any table what you want. And on the top I use the background, wood background. What I like is this background, company club backdrop, and it's one from my favorite company. We can put a little closer this. What I don't have that shadows here, and I touching the wall with my background, and this looks like really wood. The background is very good. Now we need as product what we will be photography. That's that. And last I show you how to set up the lights good, because we will be work with artificial light, and I show you one light setup for exactly this photo. This is the product what I will be photographing. You probably know this product is the candles, and one from my favorite clients. We will be photographing these candles, and I use something set up candles on something like that. Here we have the plants, it's fake plants, or maybe that's plants we use, maybe the blanket in the back. That's it what we will be used today for this photo shoot. And set up as camera, of course, and you use only one light. That starts to first styling this to make nice for the photo shoot. To learn about artificial light, natural lights, and speed your photography. Maybe you don't know how to use your camera, how to work with natural light, artificial light, how to understand the lights. You can book with me online consultation. Is 1 hour. You choose the topic what you want to learn, grow, and everything is online. That's you don't must to move from the house, spend 1 hour, and believe me, this 1 hour give you so much idea and inspiration for another photo shoot, and understand your problem or something what you want to grow in the photography so fast. You don't must to waste the time and learn yourself. That's book with me online consultation, the link you find below. But now we back for the photo shoot with one light setup. I set up my camera like always. I use the tripod. I have lens 50 millimeters. One thing what I want sharp photo for my product, and I use the aperture 7. That I think will be good to show sharp photo. Always we can change for 5, 6 or 11. If you want more sharp, you give bigger 11, 13, 16. If you want less sharp all photo but only the product, you can use 5, 4 or 3.5, something like that. So that is the most important. Now the light. What we have here? We have here the lamp is the Suncraft S200B, and these lights we will be used today is artificial lights. And when I start now light, you probably see it's like here the shadows, everything is so strong, and the lights is so strong. I say you how power I have, only 47%. These lights I have, that is when you buy your lamp, you have the lights coming without any modificator lights. What to do modificator lights? Modificator lights make soft lights, and here you can use softbox, umbrella, diffuser, some material diffuser, what you put front of your lamp, and will be make soft lights. I show you what I mean when I use the softbox. I have that a big softbox I bought few years ago. I switch off first the lamp, and I set up this with my lamp. The best is I remove the lamp for me. Don't put on the lamp the softbox that I like to manage different. That's now I have everything, and I can set up this with my softbox. And I show you what I mean when I put now the lamp and use the softbox. Like you see, straight away we have soft light. We don't have the shadows here like we have before, but still this part here is dark. Of course we can move this more, the lamp, always work that. We can put the lamp stronger, like 100% is that, but I think it's too strong. I can use like 72% or something. And one thing what is important here, the artificial light have special temperature, and special temperature is like normal, the light is 5600 Kelvin. If you use for 400 something or 3, the lights change for orange. But if you put higher, like 6000 or 7000, you will be have blue. I show you. I change now. I go for 4000, 3800. You see, is orange. The lights change for orange. But now we go higher. I have like 6000 and it's blue. We don't want that. We want have on this photo perfect white lights, not blue, not orange. That's we use the temperature 5600. I have the lamp, what I have here, you can see dark now more, because I use this for recorder my video. I switch off this. Now is a little dark, more dark than was. We can put the higher, the 83-86% the lights, what is here. But here, this part is dark. What we do, we use whiteboard here. We can use that, of course, big whiteboard put here, and straight away make the lights here bright. I show you different position, maybe you didn't see in the camera. I take my camera first. Please check how everything changed when I use only whiteboard here. I put here the whiteboard, and like how change is more bright, everything is dark and bright. That's it. And now we can take a shoot and take the photo with this setup, really, and nothing more. This is perfect one light setup. What you see, we use the modificator, the lights, the softbox. Here opposite we will be use the whiteboard. You can buy smaller, bigger if you want. We have simple setup. Take your photo, take the photo horizontal and normal, what is Instagram photos looks. Maybe set up little different the stuff, put different blanket or different plants or something like that, and you can do a few variation for this one shoot. You don't must to work with this product. You can use different product. You can photograph your food. Like you understand how to work with these lights, you will be make all the time the photo. This is only one light setup. That's easy. What 90% your photo you can make with one light. Let me know in the comment if you want to know more about artificial light, but if you want to know which gear to choose to make a beautiful photo with artificial light, check this video.